Mystery Class Presentation, Mystery Class 10, by Shawn. This was my mystery class sheet. Apparently, as you see, I am going up in daylight, and the daylight movements are kind of bouncing around. My mystery class would be gaining light. So that means my mystery class is on the northern hemisphere. Well, as you see in the graph, the daylight hours is also going up. That would be the red line. The dot in the northern and western hemisphere is Wisconsin. I figured out that I was on the northern and eastern hemisphere. That would be in Asia. And the other red dot that is more thinner is Wisconsin. I found out by looking at my mystery class graph that I was on the northern side since I'm gaining light, and that told me that I would either be on the North America, Europe, or Asia. And me and my buddy figured out that we were in Asia. The way I figured out that my country is Jordan is I looked up what's north of Jordan, and that would be Syria. So I now know that Jordan has a large population, and that really helped me a lot. The way that I figured out that my governate is Amen is that I looked on my mystery class sheet, and it said stuff about the lowest landmark on Earth, and I looked up the lowest landmark on Earth, and I found Amen, which would be my governate. If you look down on my city, it's said to be built on 7 hills, and for me it's kind of hard to see the 7 hills, but I kind of think that one of the 7 hills, or 2, is here, and here, right there. I would also think that the 3rd hill would be right here somewhere. My city also has a Roman theater, which for me, I really think is pretty cool that my city would have a Roman theater on its landmark. I think that this is kind of cool that my governate is the same name as my city. I mean, I really don't know much cities that have the same name as their governate. Or I found the ruins interesting because at first I thought that it was a school, but now I really don't know, because the ruins is just, as you see in the picture, that. And I just think that it's really neat that some of the landmark from long ago in this place is some parts still here. I think that Amen's bridge is pretty cool looking, and as you see, I have 2 pictures there, but I actually have 3 pictures because of this one that I did not type up, and well, as you see, it has some stuff about the bridge and its name. For me and my partner, I thought this was kind of hard, doing all this searching up and stuff. But once you get down to it, it's actually quite fun, and it really takes a lot of effort. So as you know, my mystery class is Amen. And I have a picture down on the bottom here, right here. And so about Amen, and I also kind of think that the name, well, I don't really know how to pronounce my mystery class that well, but that's the end. See ya.